Hello, welcome to Maths with Mouse. We are solving a question from indices and logs topic. Express log x2 in terms of a logarithm to base 2. So, in order to do that, we can write it as x2 equals to log 2 of 2 and log 2 of x. So basically what's written up here comes in the numerator and what's written in the base comes in the denominator, and we can choose any base we want. This equals to log 2 of 2 is 1, so 1 over log 2x. Now the rule is, so if I have log of any base, I can write it as I can choose whatever base I want, and then I can write it as, so if I choose to be log base z, so I will write whatever is up here in the numerator, and then in the denominator I will go again as log z, and whatever is here in the base will come in the denominator. So that's how I can convert any log of any base to any other base using this method. This is what I've applied over here. Okay, now in the next part, using the result of part 1, the substitution u equals to log 2x, find the values of x which satisfy the equation log 2x equals to 3 minus 2 log x2. Now I have a substitution that I will be using, u equals to log 2x, and in the previous part I have found out that log x2 can be written as 1 over log 2x. Now if I rewrite the equation, I can write it as log 2x equals to 3 minus 2 over log 2x. Now I can substitute u, and u equals to 3 minus 2 over u. By taking LCM, this will become u square equals to 3u minus 2. Now if I rearrange, this will become u square minus 3u plus 2 equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation, so let's solve this. So this will become u square minus u minus 2u plus u equals to 0. I can take u common from here, so this will be u minus 1. I will take minus 2 common from here, this will become u minus 1. And this will be u minus 2 and u minus 1. And I will have two roots, so u equals to 2 and u equals to 1. Now using these values, I can find the value of x. So at u equals to 1, I will have 1 equals to log 2x, and I can rewrite it as 2 to the power 1 equals to x. So this equals to 2, and at u equals to 2, I will have 2 equals to log 2x. I can write it as 2 power 2 equals to x, and this equals to 4. So at u equals to 1, I got x equals to 2, and at u equals to 2, I got x equals to 4. Thank you.